Let us add some text and some boxes so that your visuals can look attractive. Let us jump to the screen. You can see in my example, I have added one box as a little bit of light purple color with the Superstore dashboard button that we are going to add in so that it tells us that what we have created this report. Okay, so under the insert tab you may have the shape and text box buttons are there. Okay, so let us directly create text box first. Select its shape is like this only. Rotation, no, we do not want to have any rotation. As a color, we could have light blue or light purple color. Okay, if you do not want to have the border, just remove it. Yes, we want to have a text. There are two ways. If you want to add text manually, you can edit with the help of text box button, or you can directly click on so that the text you can write it down like Superstore dashboard. Okay, so that you can write it down. And you, if you want to have a bold and then the color as a black, you can do it. And or if you want to have a little bit height size increase, is the size, arrange it based on your requirement. Let me it that it good and put it over here. This way I was able to add it. I hope this is also clear to you. Yeah, this is the Superstore dashboard. This is the small tutorial that I want to edit over. In the next, we are going to add this KPI gauge and here the slicers, different slicers. Okay, so that we are going to add in the next tutorial. Be with the course and enjoy your